Welcome back to our channel once again. In this video we are going to discuss 30 exit exam questions of TESCO. This is first part of this video, and if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe this channel and also share this video as much as you can. Thank you. Question number 1. Crude oil is pumped by option A gear pump, option B lobe pump, option C screw pump, and option D centrifugal pump. Answer will be D, centrifugal pump. Question number 2. What are units for specific gravity? Option A kg per meter cube, option B kgf per meter cube, option C no units, option D meter cube per ton. Correct answer will be C, no unit. Question number 3. DPA requires under option A STCW code, option B MARPOL 7378, option C ISPS, option D ISM code. Correct answer will be D, ISM code. Question number 4. Flammable mixture starts at about 15% O2 volume. Option A true, option B false. Answer will be B, false. Question number 5. Oil that has been loaded on top should not be used for option A initial discharging, option B running as dry for cargo induction, option C priming of cargo oil pump, option D crude oil washing. Answer will be D, crude oil washing. Question number 6. Valves not in use should be option A secured and latched shut, option B secured and latched open, option C always open, option D none. Answer will be A, secured and latched shut. Question number 7. When should shipshore safety checklist be completed? Option A during the operation, option B completion of the operation, option C prior the operation, and option D 1 day before arrival port. Answer will be C, prior the operation. Question number 8. Free surface effect will disturb ship stability. Option A true, option B false. Answer will be A, true. Question number 9. Onboard tankers in one of the area sources of ignition are fully controlled. Option A engine room or accommodation, option B cargo tanks and main deck, option C bridge, and option D all of the above. Answer will be D, all of the above. Next question. Question number 10. In a scrubber tower, water absorbs more readily at low temperatures. Option A SO2, option B SO3, option C SO2 and SO3, and option D none of the above. Answer will be A, SO2. Question number 11. Firefighting procedure is same when the ship is at port or at sea. Option A same, option B different. Answer will be A, same. Question 12. How is freezing of water in deck seal water is taken care? Option A adding ethylene glycol, option B running water, option C steam coil, option D running IG continually during cold weather. Answer will be C, steam coil. Question number 13. The aromatic hydrocarbons are option A benzene, option B toluene, option C xylene, and option D all of the above. Answer will be D, all of the above. Question number 14. Many petroleum products, especially the more volatile ones, cause option A dermatitis, option B skin irritation, option C skin will disappear, option D both A and B. Answer will be D, both A and B. Question number 15. Which one is used to detect the color of petroleum products? Option A Sebold chrometer, option B Legend apparatus, option C color comparator, and option D none of the above. Answer will be A Sebold chrometer. Next question 16. Where only hydrochloric acid is carried, a detection system is to be provided. Option A hydrogen chloride vapor, option B hydrogen sulfide, option C hydrogen peroxide, and option D none of the above. Answer will be A hydrogen chloride vapor. Next question number 17. Which of the following is true about dry powder fire extinguisher? Option A you should avoid using them in confined spaces, option B they are the best choice for electrical fires, option C you should only use them in confined spaces, option D there is a black band above them. Answer will be B, they are the best choice for electrical fires. Next question number 18. Where in each monitored space should the gas detector head be placed in a dedicated oil tanker? Option A at the bottom, option B at the top, option C in the center vertically, option D any point in the space. Answer will be B at the top. Question number 19. Chemical tankers constructed on or after 1st July 1986 must comply with the provision of option A BCH code, option B IGC code, option C IBC code, and option D GIC code. Correct answer will be A BCH code. Question 20. Whichever method is used, the overboard discharge during deblasting must be option A below the water line, option B above the water line, option C no restrictions, and option D none of the above. Answer will be C no restrictions. Question 21. During loading operation, a legend temperature measuring equipment is showing low battery to be replaced. Option A can be replaced on tank area, option B can be replaced near manifold area, option C can be replaced at pump room entrance, option D can be replaced only inside accommodation. So correct answer will be D can be replaced only inside accommodation. Next question number 22. As an emergency measure, the pump room can be option A isolated, option B ventilated, option C inerted, and option D closed. Correct answer will be C inerted. Question number 23. Which is almost absent in crude petroleum? Option A olefins, option B naphthens, option C mercaptans, and option D cycloparaffins. Answer will be C mercaptans. Next question number 24. Dash tanker is a vessel of size range 50,000 to 74,999 deadweight. Option A Aframax, option B Panamax, option C Suezmax, and option D VLCC. Answer will be B Panamax. Question number 25. In the vicinity of an electrical storm, tank cleaning, option A may continue providing the tanks are inerted, option B must be stopped. Option C, may continue providing the tank venting system is isolated. Option D, may continue if the tank pressure remains at atmospheric. Answer will be B, must be stopped. Question number 26. On tankers, emergency pump producing 72 meter cube per hour at dash bar. Option A 10, option B 9, option C 7 and option D 8. Answer will be A 10 bar. Next question. Question number 27. Cargo oil loaded in separate tanks including segregation of cargo lines and pump with double valve segregation. This type is called option A closed segregation, option B complete segregation, option C natural segregation, option D partial segregation. Answer will be A closed segregation. Next question. Question number 28. For gasoline, the flash point less than 50 degrees Celsius is determined by option A Abel apparatus, option B Seebold chronometer, option C Penske-Martin's apparatus and option D none of the above. Correct answer will be A Abel apparatus. Question number 29. Inert gas is produced on board ships by option A an IG generator, option B any of these, option C auxiliary boilers and option D main boilers. Answer will be B any of the above. Question number 30. The space enclosed by ship's structure in which a cargo containment system is situated called option A hold space, option B compressor room, option C motor room, option D engine room. Correct answer will be A hold space.